Now we're ready to apply for programs. Click on Check Eligibility. Here you have a list of schools with different programs. Here you can do a simple search using the course you're intending to study. For example, you can type in cybersecurity in the search box. You can also filter your search. On the right hand side of the screen, you see the option Filter By. You can filter by program type, program duration, tuition fee, postgraduate work permit eligibility, field of study requirement, or province and territory. Once you have selected what you want, click on Apply Filters to filter the search. Once the search result has been provided, from the list you can see more information about each college or school offering the program you're looking for. You can also see the type of the degree, you can see how long the program lasts for, you can see if there is an application fee for the course, and you can also see the tuition fee. Once you decide what college you want to apply to, click on Apply Now in the box. Based on what you have selected, you might need to pay an application fee or not. For this example, we selected a course and a school which did not require paying an application fee. Please note that your documents being uploaded must be less than 5 MB. Now upload all the documents which have been requested of you. If you do not have a resume, you can skip that as it's not an important document to upload. After you have successfully uploaded all documents, please give ImmiBuddy team up to 48 hours to review your submissions and let you know if you need to upload any more documents. In the meantime, please check your email inbox for any updates on the process. So here we can check the status of any and all applications which we have submitted. In our example, it says that the documents are currently being reviewed. Now when we click on Home on the left hand side of the screen, we can see the total number of applications which we have pending. You can also see if you have rejected or accepted applications. At the top of the screen, we get an error message saying you have one open case. This means more information has been requested of you. To check this case, please click on View Cases at the bottom of the page, right in front of Application Case. Please note that any updates from your ImmiBuddy will also be provided in the inbox of your email. Once you click on View Cases, you can see the document which has been requested of you. Please upload the file again and click Submit Case. After uploading the document, if there is no need for any uploads, if there are no errors found, your application will be moved to Application Submitted. This means your application has been sent to the school. Once you have gotten to this stage, please give some time for the school to review the application, and any updates you have will be provided both in your ImmiBuddy platform and in your email inbox. Once again, please keep an eye on your email inbox for any updates which you might have regarding your applications. During the period of waiting, you can decide to apply for more courses and more colleges as you wish. I hope you found these instructions very helpful and straightforward.